Hello, the purpose of this video is a few tips and tricks on how to use our ULU Complete. Why 3 capsules? Because this is your multivitamin, your zinc and vitamin C for immune, antioxidant, and hair, skin, nails, collagen, keratin, saw palmetto biotin. It's all in here. I was doing this and I said, why doesn't someone put it all in one formula? And this is what we did. So 3 capsules, we suggest you take it earlier in the day. Sometimes B vitamins can keep people awake. It wakes them up. It doesn't happen to me, but it can, so we just want to give you a warning. So what I do, I have my supplements out on the counter. I come, I have my coffee. I also make sure I have a little something in my tummy, nuts, a biscotti, a piece of fruit, yogurt, and some people even open up the capsules, which is very, very easy to do. You get the capsules, just open them up, put them into your yogurt or your smoothie, and take them that way. We do want to warn you though, if you're not great at taking capsules and you don't have the ability to put the contents into your smoothie or yogurt every day, this may not be the product for you because we want you to use it and be successful. And then of course, a full glass of water, juice, liquid. We've got to make sure that the capsules get into your tummy so the nutrients can be absorbed. And last but not least, we put in this little pill bottle, childproof. It will hold 25 of your capsules. Fill it, take it with you. Handbag, travel bag, gym bag, briefcase, lunch bag, if the temperature's right, your car. But that way, if you're like me and all of a sudden you, ran out the door, forgot to take my ULU, it's with you. Because consistency is very important to the success of this product for hair, health, and great skin. So, we're ULU, we're here for you. If you have any questions or if you would like one of the little pill bottles that you didn't get, let us know, email us, and we'll ship one to you. Thank you so much, and we appreciate your support.